Hello, welcome to this new video in which I'm going to show you how to fix selfie video verification not working. So to fix Facebook selfie not working verification, there are many options. First of all, you should check the lighting in the environment. You must use bright natural light but not strong to cause shadow. You have to make sure your face is clearly visible. No hat, glasses, or mask. Avoid the dark room. A second option, you have to clean your camera lens. Use a soft cloth to clean your front camera. Dust and the dirt can blur your image and make it fail. A third option, hold your phone properly. Keep the camera at eye level and steady. Don't move during the selfie capture. Make sure the application has the permission to access your camera. You have to update or reinstall your Facebook application. Another option, you should use a different phone or device. Some phones have compatibility issues. Try using another phone with a better front camera. Another option, you should check your internet connection. A weak connection can cause error in uploading the selfie. Try using Wi-Fi or a strong mobile network. Another option, you should follow the instruction carefully. Some applications require you to blink, turn your head, or smile. Don't skip steps or do them too fast. And lastly, you can contact the support of Facebook. If none of the above works, use the platform help center or chat support. Explain the issue and attach screenshot if possible. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.